Welcome one and all then to what is SBL all about? Now the rationale, first of all, behind the paper is that it's very, very practical. So it goes away, even though the P papers were always supposed to be about this, and I've talked consistently about this, how P papers aren't really knowledge, they're actually application. And I think SBL just takes it that much further. It now says, look, we're not going to give you any marks for knowledge virtually. It's all going to be for application, for being practical. And what you've got to do is you've got to be a strategic leader. All right, so you've got to think in terms of being a leader, being a business leader. And it's all about the finance function being more than just that grey man in the office counting numbers. You've got to be a leader. You've got to be a businessman. Now, there are still models, there are still knowledge things in the exam, but they just help you with your answer. They're not part of the answer, they help you, they give a framework, a tool towards your answer. So that's great news for you, because in the exam, all you need to really use is those tools if you remember them, but otherwise common sense, particularly if you're strong as a business person. Okay, a business is something that I, obviously as an entrepreneur myself, I'm really interested in, but it's something I think, it's what I've called an accountant, where I think that you shouldn't be just that person in the back office. You should be somebody who is on the board, somebody who is a leader, somebody who can do all those things. Well, they can only do them if you really understand business well. Think the workplace, don't think the exam hall. That's what you've got to do. That'll be my advice to do well in this exam. When you're looking at the case study, really put yourself into it. Stop thinking, what part of the syllabus is this from, etc. Think the workplace. Think what you would do there rather than the exam hall.